What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So is the S-Biner with the slide lock from the Nite IZE. So here we go. I got a pack for $10. Let me just open with my Swiss knife. Not with my Swiss scissor, will be better with my scissor. Yeah, here we go. Where the stupid phone? I'm extremely sorry for the stupid phone. Okay, now here we go. So it is come with a 3 side. The biggest one can carry around 75 pound or 36 kg, which is a good thing. The good thing is that you can lock. To open the lock, what we have to do, let me see. So yeah, now the lock is open. As you can see, the lock is open. It's very nice. No Tom, Dick and Harry can open your lock easily. Oh, I'm really impressed. Let me take out all of it. Okay, here we go. Let me close my knife and let me throw this garbage away. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy Agik. I can easily recommend it. Let me put my Swiss knife here. I'm quite happy. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinitis pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.